One of the things that I found most disturbing about that testimony or our conversation was that they relayed to us that ABB actually ships their motors, software, hardware to the PRC, and that by contract, the CPMC gives to them, CPMC engineers will be installing that hardware, software, et cetera, that makes the cranes go. Rear Admiral Van, is it possible that during that process, the CPMC could be installing malware, ransomware, or Trojan horses in the software that's actually provided by, and the hardware actually provided by, Western companies?
Thank you for the question, Mr. Chairman. What we have found in our activities, our operations aboard ZPMC cranes and the networks on the cranes that connect to the cranes and shore side that communicate with the cranes are either by design vulnerabilities of open connections. And again, I say by design because oftentimes the monitoring of the cranes and the maintenance of the systems on board the cranes is done from a hub outside the port or in the port land side infrastructure and then communicated to the crane through a connection. So we have found, I would say, openings, vulnerabilities that are there by design. What we have not found is instances, as you put it, of malware or a Trojan horse type software. Our concern is with the vulnerabilities and the operators that operate these cranes being aware that those vulnerabilities exist, and then considering the reporting that we've heard about PRC attempting to get onto critical infrastructure. These are obviously important nodes in our marine transportation system, sir. So haven't found that yet, but those vulnerabilities exist to be able to access what's on the crane.